To use Locket widget in TestFlight, just go to Locket widget, tap on profile in top right, and then you can just tap try new features early, and then here you can just fill out this type form. And by filling out, while it is still available, maybe it's already a bit closed or it's a bit too late, but I already filled it out, that's why. So by filling out this type form, you will be able to help out developers in creating Locket widget app and extensively testing bugs on this app. So if I just go to TestFlight app, here I would just see it. Here is the Locket widget. That's how it looks like, and then by using this I will have access to new features earlier than other users. That's pretty cool, and I can also send some feedback, and basically I'm just in the beta program website. And if you like Locket widget, that's pretty cool, because again you're just getting new features like a bit earlier than other users, and you can try it out. Maybe your friends also can be on this app and you can really enjoy it. So just like an advice for you.